Hi, it's Marcus again. I want to talk to you today a little bit about board certification and what that means. But before we get into it, you might note the green ribbon, and we want to wish Abby Rhymes, a member of our law firm's family, all the best today. She's having a bone marrow transplant. Want her to know that, Abby, you're in our thoughts and our prayers, and we're all real excited to see you soon. Getting to board certification, a lot of people know that lawyers go to school for 3 years and then they take an examination to get licensed to be attorneys. But we live in an area and we live in a time where specialization becomes more and more important. A lot of people don't realize that the Florida Bar actually certifies lawyers as specialists in certain areas. One of those areas is civil trial specialty. And it's kind of a funny lead into a joke almost, but there are 850 licensed attorneys in the First District here in the Panhandle of Florida. That covers Escambia, Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton counties. 850 lawyers. And of those 850 lawyers, only 43 of us are board certified as civil trial experts by the Florida Bar. And that means that we've had a certain number of trials, and we've had a certain number of judges vouch for our ability, a certain number of lawyers sign affidavits saying that they've tried cases against us and know what we can do. And then if you have all those prerequisites and all those judges that are willing to testify, in essence, to your capabilities, then you get to take a test, and that test is a mean little test, and I took it a long time ago. I've been board certified since 2001. If you pass that test, you become board certified in that specialty. And that specialty for us is when people get injured in accidents in civil trial. Now, of those 43 board certified civil specialists, about half of them, all they do is work for the insurance companies. So about half of us, and I don't know, let's say 25 out of the 43, or maybe as many as 30 out of the 43, all across the Panhandle are recognized by the Florida Bar as specialists in this area. Now, sometimes I have to tell people I don't know a lot about a lot of areas of the law. I can't draft you a will. You wouldn't want to hire me to represent you in a DUI case. I don't know anything about that. But for 28 years, I've been doing civil trial practice, and the Florida Bar has recognized me as a specialist. And that matters because the insurance companies that you're dealing with, they look at the qualifications of the law firm or the lawyer that's handling the file. So if you've got a serious case, if you've got serious injuries, hire a specialist that's been certified by the Florida Bar to handle that type of case. And really, if you do that, and there's a few of us out there, if you do that, you know that that individual has the underlying capability, the underlying experience, and has been certified by the Florida Bar as a specialist in that area. So I look forward to talking to you. If you have questions, if you've got a case, if you want to ask us questions about our qualifications, if you want to see who is and who isn't board certified, you can do that on our website, and we'll be happy to talk to you. You can call us 24/7, and we'll be happy to help.